So this little bucket, I like to put one of these in the bottom, and a sponge. And I'm hoping that sponge will hold on to some moisture, so I don't have to water these pots as often. There we go, just one of my little projects that I've been doing over the last little while. Good day everybody, it's time to show you what's growing in my garden for the month of May. In this first bed here we have the spinach growing. And this is broccoli. Nothing really happening with it yet, but it is growing nicely. Some romaine lettuce and Brussels sprouts. And I'm currently in the process of mulching my raised beds with some grass clippings. These are Cylindra beets, which are going to be getting ready to be transplanted probably tonight. And this is the box of beets that my grandchildren just threw a couple of packages in there and watered the heck out of it, and they're actually growing them. Quite surprised. This is parsley, and this is the bed that the beets are growing in. Under this is carrots, and this is just to help keep the soil moist, because carrots have a long time to germinate and they need that moisture. Last night I planted the golden beets. I just watered them a little while ago, so they're kind of falling over, but they'll pick themselves back up. These are Walla Walla onions. And these back here are my garlic, and it's probably pushing 12 inches, maybe 15 inches tall. Pepper plants, which will be going in a couple of days from now. We're still having lows of +4, so I'm not really too confident in putting them out yet. Of course, everybody's already seen Then I built a herb tower, and these are tumbling toms. And with these buckets, at least I know if it's going to go, 4 degrees or lower, I can just take these off and put them in the garage, no big deal. These are potatoes, Yukon Golds, and they're just starting. These potatoes I just planted them on top of the soil and just threw the leaves on top, and they're doing fine. Makes it easy for harvesting in the fall. Under this, I have yellow beans and green beans, and this is just to help keep a little more heat, because the days are still cold. It's only been the odd day that we've gotten over 20 degrees. And that's actually spinach that I grew last fall, which is regrowing. Definitely ready for harvest. And then I have the peas, and they're growing pretty good, actually. And then my other herb tower, quite happy with that. Then on the back side over here, I have this trellis, and I'm hoping to grow my Canadian watermelon across that this summer, as long as we can get some heat. Okay, so this is my second attempt at a Canadian watermelon, and I have a little challenge going on with my friend Rob from Two Turtle Gardens down south. So we'll get these potted on and get these out in the rain gutter grow system in about a week from now. Also growing some zucchini, and then for the fall crop, some cauliflower and a cabbage. And back over here we have some English cucumbers, and we'll see how those go. Okay, that's my update for the month of May, and yes, I do a few flowers here and there. You all take care now, and we'll see you next time.